Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn Python. We are in episode 6. So this episode is a different kind of episode. In this we are going to be learning how to create a type of website. So for this we are going to use a library known as Streamlit. So Streamlit is a library. So we'll be learning that as we dive deep into it. So we are going to type import. So import is a kind import will be importing the library into a program like we imported our turtle. So I'm going to type Streamlit as st. This code will be importing Streamlit as st. So if you type a code, you can just type st dot do that do this. So it will be easy, and we don't need to type the whole word Streamlit. So that's st. So next we are going to be asking the user, let's say, some kind of the contact method. So contact underscore. So contact method is a variable. As you know, the variable has to be separated with an underscore, not with a space, or it should not have any special characters. So st dot sidebar. So sidebar is a bar which appears in the side of a screen like this. So as you can see, this is our sidebar. So we are going to do one sidebar dot select box. So select box. So select box uh, like a drop down where you can select. So as you can see, this is a kind of select box where you can choose our things. So this is a kind of select box, and I'm going to open a bracket. So this bracket, inside this bracket, whatever we type, it's like a contact method. So in Streamlit, to enter like a text in the page, we don't need to type print, print and do things. So print is only for the terminal. If you type print, the message will be printed in the terminal, but not on the web page. So instead, we can just use double quotes. So how do you like to be how do you like to be contacted? So this question. So if you go to the next line, you must give a comma. So without comma, it will throw us an error. So make sure you put that comma. So and then we are going to inside a bracket. So inside the bracket is the options like in the drop down. So as you can see, these are the options. These options must be added inside the bracket. So each option should have a double quotes like email, and next we are going to it's compulsory to put a comma or else it may throw an error. So phone, email, phone. So the user can choose or they can just skip that question. So it's not mandatory. So next we're going to type a text. So there's no web page without text, right? So for the text we don't need to type print as I said earlier. So st dot text. So as same in the print, we can type hi, welcome to my web page. So I can put a smiley emoji. So for putting a smiley emoji in Windows, you can press the start key, press the full stop in, but in Mac, I'm not sure. And so we are going to give another thing like, let's say ice cream, is equal to st dot sidebar. Same, we are going to check their ice cream flavor. So dot sidebar dot sele dot self box. So same I'm going to be giving. So this will check their ice cream ice cream flavor. So I'm going to write what is your favorite ice cream. So I'm going to also be giving smoke away here. So next I'm going to be giving some flavors. So let's say like pista or like chocolate. So pista chocolate. So I have two options. So this will the user can just select whichever they like. So the user wants to enter the mobile number means. So for this we are going to write st dot text. So it's going to text underscore input. So the user going to give a text input. So just a text means it's like a simple text. So text input means the user is going to be giving the input. So like we type our names in some web pages. So I'm going to write enter your mobile number. So I have given enter your mobile number. So the user can just enter the mobile number. So I'm going to give about is equal to as about is a variable st dot text area. Text area is a place where you can type some big paragraphs and lots of things. So about is a variable. So we are going to be storing this about. So let's see what it does. So this I'm going to typing like type about yourself. So I'm giving type about yourself. So the user can see the messages after that typing they scroll the web pages like this, so we can't see the text. So for this I'm going to give in st dot. So write does uh, times of paragraph. So st dot text is for a single line or just a sentence. Write can write a lot of sentences like a para. So I'm going to write so about. So this about is a variable, so it's going to be writing it. So this is our web page. So how do you run it? So we just simply click on this run button. So as you can see, it just tells it. So here you can see this link, right? So streamlit.run. So you just need to copy this link and you can go to your Windows PowerShell or your terminal in your PC and you can just simply paste it. So just click enter. So this will run in your default browser. So as minus edge. So as you can see, this is our web page. So I'm going to give like email or advertisement. So but minus chocolate. Enter mobile number. So I'm not going to be entering anything. So type about yourself. So hi, I am Jonathan. So it says press Control plus Enter to apply. So as it is, so hi, I'm Jonathan. So it displays, and so this also today I'm going to be attaching the code in the description. Until then, bye.